Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. Today, we're diving into some of the most amazing facts about space and our solar system. Buckle up, because this is going to be an incredible ride. We'll be exploring everything from the vastness of space to the smallest particles that make up our universe. We'll uncover secrets about our own solar system and venture beyond to distant galaxies and mind-boggling phenomena. Get ready to have your mind blown as we unravel the mysteries of the cosmos together. Space, it's not just emptiness, it's a vast, dynamic stage where the greatest cosmic dramas unfold. Imagine this: if our sun were a grain of sand, the nearest star would be another grain of sand. 100 meters away. That gives you a sense of the scale, but it's still expanding, stretching the very fabric of space-time. It's mind-bogglingly huge and filled with more galaxies than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. And within those galaxies, billions upon billions of stars, each with its own story to tell. Some stars are born, others explode in spectacular supernovas, creating the very elements that make up our bodies. We're talking about carbon, oxygen, iron, literally forged in the hearts of dying stars. It makes you realize we're not just in this universe, we are this universe. Let's talk about our sun, the star of the show in our solar system. This giant ball of plasma is 93 million miles away, yet its energy sustains all life on Earth. The sun is mostly hydrogen and helium, undergoing constant nuclear fusion, converting 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. Imagine the energy released in that process. It's like billions of nuclear bombs going off every single second. Amazingly, the light from the sun that reaches us now is actually 30,000 years old. It was created deep within the sun's core and took that long to travel to the surface and then to us. The sun is a powerful force, and thankfully we get to bask in its warmth. Zipping around the sun faster than any other planet is Mercury, a place of extremes. Picture this. On the side facing the sun, temperatures soar to a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, but on the dark side it plunges to a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Why such a difference? Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, almost non-existent, so it can't regulate temperature. This tiny planet is also the most cratered in our solar system, bearing the scars of countless asteroid impacts. It's a testament to the violent history of our cosmic neighborhood. And here's a fun fact. One day on Mercury is longer than its entire year. That's right, it rotates on its axis very slowly. Our next stop is Venus, often called Earth's evil twin. It's similar in size and composition to Earth, but that's where the similarities end. Venus boasts a thick, toxic atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and causing surface temperatures to soar to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. The pressure on Venus is also intense, like being 3,000 feet under the ocean. And get this, it rains sulfuric acid, not exactly a picnic-friendly environment. Venus serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes our own planet habitable. Ah, Earth, our home sweet home. From space, it's a breathtaking blue marble teeming with life. It's the only known planet with liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Our atmosphere, a delicate mix of nitrogen and oxygen, protects us from harmful radiation and regulates temperature. And let's not forget Earth's magnetic field, a shield against the sun's constant stream of charged particles. These factors, combined with the perfect distance from the sun, create a habitable zone, a cosmic oasis in the vastness of space. It makes you appreciate how precious and fragile our planet truly is. Our neighbor Mars has captivated humans for centuries. It's a cold, dusty planet with a reddish hue thanks to iron oxide or rust covering its surface. Mars has the largest volcanoes in our solar system, including Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Evidence suggests that Mars once had flowing water, raising the possibility of ancient life. Today, scientists are searching for signs of microbial life and exploring the potential for future human missions. Imagine one day walking on Mars, a truly awe-inspiring feat for humanity. Get ready for the king of our solar system, Jupiter, a gas giant so large that you could fit all other planets inside it with room to spare. Jupiter is a swirling storm of colorful clouds with winds raging at hundreds of miles per hour. Its most famous feature, the Great Red Spot, is a massive storm that has been raging for centuries. And hold on tight, because Jupiter has a staggering 79 known moons. Some are icy, some volcanic, and one, Europa, is thought to have a subsurface ocean that could potentially harbor life. Jupiter is a true testament to the diversity and grandeur of our cosmic neighborhood. Prepare to be dazzled by Saturn, the ringed wonder of our solar system. These rings, made of ice and rock, are simply breathtaking. They span hundreds of thousands of miles, yet they're surprisingly thin, some parts only a few feet thick. Saturn is also a gas giant, mostly hydrogen and helium, but it's much less dense than Jupiter. In fact, it's less dense than water, meaning it could theoretically float in a giant bathtub. Saturn has its own collection of fascinating moons, including Titan, which has a thick atmosphere and methane lakes. Now that's what I call an alien world. Next up is Uranus, the ice giant with a unique tilt. It's tilted on its side almost 90 degrees, which means it rotates on its side like a rolling ball. Imagine the extreme seasons on Uranus. Scientists believe a massive collision early in its history caused this unusual tilt. Uranus is also surrounded by faint rings, although not as spectacular as Saturn's. And like other gas giants, it has numerous moons, each with its own unique characteristics. Uranus is a reminder that our solar system is full of surprises. Our final stop in the solar system is Neptune, the other ice giant, and the farthest planet from the Sun. It's a dark, cold world with supersonic winds that whip around the planet at over 1,000 miles per hour. These winds are the fastest in our solar system. Neptune has a deep blue color due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. It also has a faint ring system and 14 known moons. One of its moons, Triton, is geologically active, with geysers that erupt nitrogen ice. Neptune is a fittingly mysterious and awe-inspiring end to our planetary tour. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a region populated by millions of rocky remnants from the early solar system. These asteroids range in size from small pebbles to dwarf planets hundreds of miles wide. They're like time capsules, preserving clues about the formation of our solar system. While most asteroids stay within the belt, some venture closer to Earth, posing a potential threat. But don't worry, scientists are constantly monitoring the skies, tracking these space rocks and developing ways to deflect them if necessary. Look up at the night sky and you'll see countless stars, each one a distant sun. These stars are massive balls of plasma, powered by nuclear fusion in their cores. They come in different sizes, colors, and temperatures. Some stars are massive, hundreds of times larger than our sun, while others are tiny and faint. Stars have a life cycle. They're born, they live, and they die. Some end their lives in spectacular supernova explosions, scattering heavy elements into space, the very elements that make up you and me. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies, and their light illuminates the universe. Black holes are among the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe. They're regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Imagine squeezing all the mass of our sun into a space the size of a city. That's the kind of density we're talking about. Black holes warp space-time around them, creating mind-boggling effects. Time slows down near a black hole, and light itself gets bent. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars, connecting the dots to form patterns and stories in the sky. These patterns are called constellations, and they've played a vital role in navigation, mythology, and our understanding of the cosmos. Different cultures have different constellations, reflecting their unique perspectives and stories. Today, astronomers use constellations as a way to divide the sky into regions, making it easier to locate and study celestial objects. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the stories and science behind these celestial patterns. Comets are like cosmic snowballs, made of ice, dust, and rock orbiting the sun. As they approach the sun, they heat up, and the ice vaporizes, creating a glowing coma and sometimes a spectacular tail that can stretch for millions of miles. Comets are remnants from the early solar system, preserving clues about its formation. They're like celestial messengers carrying ancient secrets from the depths of space. Observing comets is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our cosmic neighborhood. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but we know it's there. Dark matter, one of the biggest mysteries in astrophysics. Here's the thing. The visible matter in the universe, the stars, planets, and galaxies, only make up about 5% of its total mass. The rest, dark matter and dark energy. We detect dark matter through its gravitational effects on visible matter. It acts like an invisible scaffold, holding galaxies together and influencing the large-scale structure of the universe. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand the nature of dark matter, a quest that could revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Galaxies aren't randomly scattered throughout the universe, they're clumped together in vast structures called galaxy clusters. These clusters are the largest known gravitationally bound structures in the cosmos, containing hundreds or even thousands of galaxies. Imagine the combined gravity of all those stars and dark matter. Galaxy clusters are like cosmic cities bustling with activity. Galaxies within clusters interact with each other, sometimes colliding and merging, shaping the evolution of the universe. Studying galaxy clusters gives us insights into the formation and evolution of the cosmos on the grandest scales. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed these amazing facts about space and our solar system, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Remember, we're just scratching the surface of what's out there. The universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep looking up at the stars with a sense of awe and wonder. Until next time, keep your curiosity burning bright.